Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaligtad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Wow, the Four of Wands, 11-11 card. Oh, andyan na naman ang ating mga twin flame energies. And we have here the Moon card, Pisces, Three of Pentacles. So parang this person really want to work this out. So let's try. Baka mag-work out. Ganon. Let's try this time. Parang ganun. So, we have here the Knight of Wands. Oh, very passionate. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, the King of Wands, na nakita ko na siya kanina eh. Nag-flip na siya eh. And we also have here the Four of Pentacles. Two of Wands. So, nagkaroon din ng long distance situation dito. The lovers. Another twin flame energy. It's a Gemini energy. Bottom card natin, Devil card. So, Capricorn. Oh, the Pillow. So, parang itong taon to ngayon ay nahihirapan makatulog sa gabi. Thinking about you or the past. We have here the Tide mask. So, parang may tinatago siyang secret dito with this Moon card. Maring yung feelings niya. We have here the Snail. So, ang tagal lang energy, ang bagal lang energy. Mountain card. So, parang nag-focus sa goals. Yun ang inuna niya, priority, and the coffin. So, Scorpio. Scorpio energy. So, maring past person. Itong strong fire and air. May Capricorn and Pisces din tayo. Ayan. Parang din to eh. It's about also, confession na gusto niyang sabihin. So, marami siyang gustong sabihin eh. Tingnan natin. Gifts from God by Archangel Sandalphon. We angels bring you gifts from your Creator. Open your arms to receive. So, tingnan natin. Mga messages. Kasi parang ang gusto niya, marami siyang gustong sabihin eh. Pero nakatikom mo yung bibig niya at nakatali yung kamay niya. Patiently waiting. Stubborn but practical. Ayun hirap siya makakatulog eh. Kasi hindi niya masabi itong mga gusto niyang sabihin. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. Oh! I want you back. Business is business. You excite me. I will fight for you and you're so hot. You're my strength. It's a Leo energy. Tingnan pa natin. More messages here. We will be together again. So, lagi lumalabas yan So, lagi from the past tayo eh. I want to feel that way again. Puro again. We both know I'm not the one for you. I lost myself for a little while. You speak to me through music. I'm becoming a better person. I replay your conversations over and over. So, isa yun sa mga dahilan kung bakit hindi siya makakatulog kasi binabasa niya pa yung mga past messages. I know I messed up everything. Kasi alam mo, sinabotahe niya tong connection na to eh. And I regret lying to you. So, tingnan natin. Initials. Letter T. B. V. M. W. H. Z. Q. and Y. So, nahulog pa itong isa, letter D. And let's see sa ating blue card. So, there's a lot of regret doon sa mga nagawa niya. And, guilty pa siya. Dalawa pa to. Ayan nagsisisi siya sa mga information na hindi totoo na sinabi niya. Encourage, so naghihintay siya ng lakas ng loob, nag-iipon to tell you everything. Gusto niya nang sabihin sa'yo yung lahat ng totoo. Na, yung mga kasinungalingan niya noon, nagtago siya sa mga information na walang katotohanan, nagtago siya sa likod ng maskara. So ngayon gusto niya sabihin lahat sa iyo kung ano yung totoo. So, tingnan natin, general signs and the messages natin. Coins, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Lake, Runner card, Sweet, Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Smart, Divine Feminine, Athletic, number 2, Selfie-holic, Sword is air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Gorgeous, air sign again, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sagittarius, high expectations, January, overthinker, September, beautiful, fantastic friend, and very loyal. So parang tingnan natin tong bottom natin. So ito yung bottom confusing. So may mga nagpapa-confuse pa sa kanya ngayon. Number 6 yun nandito sa kabila. Okay, so ayun. That's your reading and thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.